And of course, digital employees people fear. So if you can work with a CFO, Ed, if you can work with a CFO, I don't know where Simon is sitting there, who is digital and has all the knowledge of what is required in the financial world, and also talks to you in a pleasant manner and smiles, and even if not granting what you need, says it in a nice way, Simon is going to get worried. Right? So today it is possible to do this, digital employees for knowledge workers. But really, I would like to go and talk to Simon. And I'm sure that there are many who will continue to want to talk to a person. Just like today, to book a ticket, most of us do not talk to a human being. We just go through a system and get an airline ticket. Previously, in a corporate setting, we would go to the individual, sit down and plan the trip, especially if it's a global trip. But let me also make another statement about AI. AI will not cause jobs to be lost. AI will create jobs. In fact, in India, I've called for creating 100 million new jobs. Right? That's a lot of jobs. How do you think that's going to happen? It's going to happen because we're going to make jobs more accessible in remote corners of the world. And we're going to redefine jobs. Jobs don't have to be 8 to 5, working 8-hour days and working 5 days a week. And working in the office. It's already happening. So jobs are going to be very different, and in that environment, somebody who is not doing anything, for them to work, let's say 2 days or 2 hours a day, that becomes a job. So these are all going to be things which happen in the near future, and it's good. And those who continuously learn will always have things to do, and much better things to do, because the rote aspects of their jobs will get taken away.